Another day, another pair of headphones. Well, with that being said, I actually haven't had headphones on my channel in a while. But anyway, what's up guys? It's Kay from Beyond the Box, back with a brand new video. And sorry I've been gone for a while, but with that being said, back with a brand new video. And today we're taking a look at the Razer Opus headphones, the active noise canceling headphones from Razer. Thank you guys for sending these out to me from Razer. I appreciate it so much. I've been using these over the past few days and these are pretty good. So with that being said, let's just jump into it and check out why you should take a look at these headphones. So what makes these headphones are a little different are, you probably know Razer as being like a gaming company, right? But you probably didn't know that they make some high quality headphones that aren't for gaming, like for music and stuff, watching movies. That's what THX comes in for. So basically, if you guys know what THX is, I think it's like one of those old companies that you remember from those VHS tapes in the 90s. Anyway, they got this high quality sound, right? So THX has partnered with Razer to produce these headphones, and basically they got THX audio quality built in. When you put them on and when you watch some movies, they're incredible, let me just tell you. So with that being said, let's just take a look at the box. So, wireless active noise cancellation headset, and what is that? Some other language. We're not even gonna try to figure out what that is. Let's see. Introducing the wireless THX certified headset equipped with best-in-class active noise cancellation technology for high-fidelity audio, so you can enjoy unparalleled immersion for all of your entertainment wherever you go. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. Oh, great! It's got a 2-year warranty. That's awesome. And it does come with an app from the App Store. I'm not sure if you have to download it or not because I downloaded it, but I haven't tried it out yet, but I have used the headphones. So I don't think you need the app any means necessary, but we'll check that out in a second. So let's take a look at the back. What do we got really quick? Let's see, premium carrying case. Oh yeah, the carrying case, it is a really nice carrying case. THX certified for high fidelity sound. Audio pause play. Oh yeah, that's really cool. They got this feature that you take your headphones off your neck and then the music pauses. That's really cool. That's something we all want. So active noise cancellation. Oh, that's cool. So there's a button on this headset that you're gonna press whenever you want to hear the outside world, and you're gonna be able to hear nothing but your voice and everything around you. Your music is gonna stop and you're gonna hear everything like it's coming through a microphone. It's crazy. It's crazy. I don't know if you guys have used active noise cancellation, but it's pretty great. Engineered for comfort. These headphones are amazingly comfortable. I've been using these for the past few days and I put plenty of hours in so far, and I have not had painful ears. I don't know if you guys saw my Beats by Dre video, my Solo Beats Pros. They have active noise cancellation as well, but after about 45 minutes of audio playback, the pressure of the Beats Pros, Solo Pros would hurt my ears. But these are over your ears. They don't press down on your ears. They go over your ears and they make the entirety of your listening experience really pleasurable. So let's just open up the box. I've already unboxed this before, so this is what you're gonna get when you open it. But basically, immerse yourself with the ultimate audio experience anywhere. We made the Razer Opus so you can enjoy a superior sound experience from a wireless headset when you're on the move. Thank you very much, because I'm on the move quite a bit. The combination of high-fidelity THX certified audio and active noise cancellation technology creates a clear, focused soundstage for ultimate immersion, whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or playing mobile games. Yeah, that's something I really want to take a look at. But yeah, that's it for that. And so I'm just gonna take this plastic piece off, forget the noise, and we'll get this box out of the way. Ooh, let's take this out. I haven't opened this yet, so we'll take this out and put the box to the side, and that's it for that end of the box. And we'll take, actually, let's look at this first because we'll save the best for last. So, forget the noise again, okay? So, everything that you're gonna see that comes in the case. Yeah, there you go. So you got the headphones itself. Looks like you got a charging cable. Looks like it comes with an adapter. Definitely comes with a USB Type-C cable with an adapter to a USB, standard USB dock, looks like. Forgive me for the term, I don't know the term off the top of my head. Bluetooth enabled, obviously, and wireless. Oh yeah, it comes with a little doohickey that you can plug into headphones. Yeah, and guys, these do also have a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you guys can plug in your standard headphone cords. This case is really nice. I'm not sure how well it's gonna protect. I'm assuming it's gonna protect really well, but I just like the case and I like the feel of it. It's a nice case. With that being said, let's get back into the headphones itself. Ooh, I love these babies. They're slick, they're black, they're sexy. This is what they look like out of the box. They rotate and they twist just like this, and they pop into place. And then you can tell, because basically the turn and the way they're tilted is going to be facing forward, but this is basically what they look like around your neck. So check out the rest in the container. We got this little plug for your 3.5 jack, and open this little container and this little baggie, and you got your 3.5 millimeter jack. Thank you for including that, and the standard USB Type-C. Oh yeah, what is this? Ooh. Oh wait, what is this? Oh yeah, so this is the standard dock. So this is going to allow you to plug this into a computer or something. Oh yeah, the headphones are around my neck. I was like, where'd the headphones go? Okay, so with that being said, let's just get into testing these headphones now for you guys, because there's a lot I want to show you guys. Let's see. So let's put these on. Let's hook these up. They're already connected. They should be connected already. Maybe I gotta turn them on. Yeah, they're not on. You gotta turn them on by this button down here. You can hold it in. Green light turns on. Okay. Connected with a little sound. We are good. Okay. Nice and comfortable. I love it. Okay guys, so as I said earlier before, these headphones have some active THX quality sound inside of them, which should give you guys an amazing quality playback when you're watching movies. So here we go. If you guys like The Rise of Skywalker, this is one of my favorite movies. I don't know about you, but I love Star Wars. I don't know about how much I like the new Star Wars, this movie in general, but I like Star Wars a lot. Let me know down in the comments below if you like Star Wars too. These headphones also have some different type of modes. I'm not exactly sure what the different type of modes are exactly, but basically there's a button on the back of these headphones. You guys can't really tell from the movie experience, but when the explosions are going off, the THX quality is really good. If you guys have sat in a movie theater, the quality is pretty fantastic. I'm not gonna lie when watching a movie. But how does it do listening to music? I mean, that's what headphones are for, basically, right? Like that's the main thing you're gonna be doing is listening to music with these. Yeah, let's check it out. Sipping on a drink, sipping on a drink, sipping on a drink, I ain't trying to think. So on the bass is a little bit different because, I don't know, I don't really think these headphones are made for the best bass experience. But with that being said, maybe you can check out the app and let's see if we can see if there's any changes that we can make. Let's see. This might take a second to find the headset. Razer Opus. Is that it? Okay. Select the preset you would like to use with your headset. Okay. So enhanced bass. Let's try that. Ooh. Okay. So there's 5 presets. Okay. So that's how you select them. The button I was talking about a second ago is the preset selector. Clearly, I'm just stupid. Let's see. This is amplified bass, enhanced bass right now. We're listening to the Backstreet Freestyle by Kendrick Lamar. So, see, the bass is okay, but it's just like, it's lackluster. It's like it's missing something. Enhanced quality, enhanced clarity, I can't read either. Okay? That's like word of voice. Enhanced clarity is like word of mouth, like podcast, probably. Enhanced bass is like, probably enhanced bass is probably for the people that are trying to get the most bass they can out of the headphones when they know that the bass isn't very good. Let's see, the THX, ooh, the THX sounds pretty good, but it sounds kind of flat. Let's see, which setting would I want to listen to? So I'm either going to probably stick with the THX mode or I'm going to stick with the enhanced bass mode. But with that being said, let's go back to the movie. Let's go back to The Rise of Skywalker and let's see if the sound audio changes. Okay, the THX mode is definitely the best mode to be watching movies under, without a doubt. Definitely do not watch movies without listening to the THX mode. Yeah, let's go back to the music. Ooh, Drew Barrymore. Let's try that one. This is a little bit less rap, more like hip hop. This is a good quality sound right now. I like this. I want this forever, just you in the grotto. This sounds great right now. Let's get to the bass. Okay, so this mode isn't bad for music either. Let's go back to some other rap song and let's see if we can figure out what the best mode for the rap is. Choose one. Out the West Coast. Okay, guys. With that being said, actually, maybe I should let you guys hear it for a second. Oops. Oop. I don't think, yeah, they got the feature where it turns off if you take your headphones off, so I can't actually hold it up for you. But also, here's one more feature I wanted to show you guys before I sign off. So this button on the back of this the headphones right here, right? They got this button right here. It's called the noise cancellation ambient button, right? So the button on the back, you press it, and now the music stops. Okay, but the music still plays, but I can basically hear everything without taking my headphones off. So I could hear you and I could talk to you. We could have a conversation, and I could just be holding this button and I could, well, I don't have to take my headphones off, or I could. I mean, either way. It makes more sense just to take the headphones off if you're talking to somebody. But, okay. Pretty good audio, especially out of this preset. So, what do I rate it? I'm gonna have to give it a 4 out of 5. If I rated the last headphones that I did, the Beats Solo Pros, if I rated those, I'd probably give those a 2.5 out of 5. These are probably a solid 4 out of 5, just because I wish the bass was a little bit better. But yeah, guys, that's basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys, Razer, one more time for sending the headphones over to me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what's your favorite Star Wars movie in the comments. And let me know if you're going to be getting a pair of these headphones in the future. But with that being said, guys, I'm signing off. See you in the next one.